It's getting kind of warm. Also, I use wet wipes. I think everyone should.
Message!
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, so here's the tea. I filmed a haul, gotta be like a year ago, and it was just all about how I designed these beautiful bathrooms with an Amazon budget. I showed you the items, never showed you the bathrooms.
That's bullshit.
Kind of ridiculous. So today is the day, and I've been wanting to film this for a while, but my bathrooms aren't huge. These aren't suites. I live in an apartment. It's really hard to get the angles because they're kind of tight. My secondary bathroom is bigger than my primary bathroom, and I just couldn't get it. Was just a whole thing. The lighting is kind of weird because I have mirror lighting and overhead lighting, but in my guest bathroom the overhead lighting is connected to a fan, so you couldn't hear me talk while I was in there. My bathroom doesn't have that, which I should probably tell maintenance because I don't want to get charged when I move out. Anyway, off that, it was just very tricky trying to film in the bathrooms. I tried again today. I got my robe on, which actually matched my towel, so I was like, oh, this is gonna be perfect.
Nope.
Fail. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of give you a summary, since I already made a completely separate video about all the details. You can reference that video for any links, anything I don't answer in this video. And if you have any other questions, just let me know down in the comments. So I'm just gonna give, like I said, a summary, and then I'll show you the bathrooms with some music, maybe do a little visual diary type thing because I think those are kind of cute. So yeah. The bathrooms are what sold me on this place. They just felt so hotel and spa-like and just clean and modern. So it was a really nice blank slate, a bunch of storage. In my last unit, all I had was the under cabinet storage, but these bathrooms actually have storage on the side that go all the way up to the ceiling, and then you have up under the sink as well. So that was a bonus. The mirror lighting, I don't think I could ever go back. Like, even when I build a home, I feel like I'm gonna have these mirrors in my bathrooms. It's very easy to get ready, put your makeup on in there, cut your hair, because you can see really well with the light reflecting on you. 9 times out of 10, I don't turn on the overhead lighting, like the ceiling light. I just keep the mirror light on, and it just slightly illuminates the space, kind of like what a lamp does to a room. So I really, really love that. And my bathrooms, like I said, my guest bathroom is bigger than mine, but they pretty much mirror each other, and I wanted them to look like sisters but not twins. So with the rugs, I knew I wanted runner rugs for each one, but I didn't want the same one for both of them. Did that make sense? Yeah, I think I said that right. They both have benches to put your stuff on or to sit on, but they're totally different. I kept the towels the same, the shower curtain the same. I couldn't really keep everything the same on the vanity because my vanity is smaller than the other one. So my guest bathroom has an extra something on it, this wabi-esque vase that I got from Home Goods that I tell you about all the time, some little whimsical branches in it. It's actually my favorite bathroom of the two, and sometimes I get ready in there when nobody is using it. So yeah. Since the bathrooms already felt hotel-like, I just wanted to keep with that theme but still make it homey. I was very adamant about keeping the packaging pretty much uniform throughout the bathroom, so it kind of looked like a storefront as well. So I searched high and low, finally found some bottles that mimicked the Aesop labeling, their packaging, and I think it looks really, really good. So the shower gel, the conditioner, the shampoo, the toilet spray, pretty much everything is black and white, and it looks all cohesive and just really clean, really nice. And also anything that could be distracting, I tried to kind of hide and elevate. So with tissues, Kleenex, I got these amazing like tissue box covers. I think that's what they're called. I actually found out some Home Goods. Those won't be in the original haul, but I'm just kind of letting you guys know in case anybody cares. Also, I use wet wipes. I think everyone should.
Message!
So I keep them in both bathrooms, and I found these cute little containers to put them in so the packaging isn't different from the rest of the bathroom. One of my favorite elements is the shower curtain. It's this yummy light brown kind of taupey linen look shower curtain, and it goes from floor to ceiling, which really elevates the space in my opinion. So I think that kind of sums up everything I wanted to say about the bathrooms. Like I said, this will be kind of like a visual diary, so I'll probably stick in some text or something if I feel like it's needed. And yeah, so here are my bathrooms. The first one is gonna be my guest bathroom, and the last one is my primary. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
I don't wanna wait on this forever, but I'm starting to question that was me. I'm not looking for just a affair. On a love that is based on the truth, not just dating. Right now, you decide, and you aren't ready to settle down. You want my heart, then it's not that you start. Act like you might and give you love me, if you try me, if you want me, if you need me, if you love me, if you try me, if you want me, if you need me, if you love seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Here's the verdict, and I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start, 'cause every time you smile I feel tremors in my heart. I have one concern, how can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, sitting up in my room, thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room, I'm just a mess with a flavor. How can one be down? Tell me where to start, 'cause every time you smile I feel tremors in my heart. I have one concern, how can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do. Gonna do, yeah. I must confess, I'm honest for you, baby.
Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Like I said, my first video is actually way more detailed, and I have all the links that are in that video in that comment box of that video, so reference that there. If I don't have something and you have a question about something, just let me know down in the comments and I'll try to help as best as I can. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then,